In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 5K quality on Capcut. Let's start by clarifying an important point. Although Capcut allows you to work with 5K video files, the maximum output resolution you can export is capped at 4K. This means that while you can't export at 5K, you still benefit from editing your projects with high quality 5K footage, giving you a lot of room to work with for cropping and other editing maneuvers. Now let's dive into how you can make the most of Capcut's capabilities and ensure your video content looks as sharp and professional as possible. To begin, you'll need to import your video footage into Capcut. Open the app and initiate a new project. You'll see the option to import your video right at the start. This is your first step and it sets the stage for everything that follows. Once your footage is loaded into the timeline, it's time to bring your creativity to life. Edit your project using the tools and features available within Capcut. You can trim, apply filters, adjust the color, add music and incorporate transitions, all to polish your video exactly how you envision it. Once you have your edits in place and you're satisfied with the result, pay attention to the exporting process, which is crucial for maintaining the best possible quality. Look towards the top right of your screen and you'll notice the export icon. It's time to tap this icon to proceed to export settings. Within the export settings, you'll come across the resolution setting. Here's where you need to be mindful. Capcut provides options going up to 4K resolution, which is 2160p. Since 5K isn't supported, you'll need to select 4K as your desired export resolution. This will ensure your final video retains the highest quality that Capcut can provide. After selecting the appropriate resolution, the final step is simple. Tap the export button to save your project. The exporting process will begin and soon your mobile device or computer will have a high quality 4K video ready to be shared or uploaded as you see fit. From here, if your platform supports it, you can upload it to platforms like YouTube in 4K, giving your audience an impressive viewing experience. So there you have it, a straightforward way to make the most of your editing on Capcut using 5K source material to achieve a high quality 4K export. Keeping this maximum output in mind will help manage your expectations and ensure you use the software to its full potential. Thank you for joining me today and happy editing.